This is a small power supply. The separator of this button is not working, caused by this smoke. There's smoke here. This MOSFET and this diode 4148 got damaged. They blown away, caused this track to break. Let's turn and see the engine. It's of this machine. It's a small engine with one MOSFET and a regulator in it. So it's good to check which side is DC and AC to avoid electric shock. So know which is DC and AC side. Mostly the AC side, if you unplug the engine from the power source, it will spend some minutes or hours still having current. So what you have to do now is to discharge the current. Now we are to test this. Let's check this MOSFET. It's, if you see, it's shown in the video. We want to try to look around to find out what causes the short or the smoke. You see this MOSFET is shorted. So we have to remove this MOSFET from the engine. See the damage, how it damaged the engine. Right, let's test it and see. Since it was on the board, right, we use our multimeter there. These terminals are shorted, or they are all shorted. All terminals are shorted. Means we need to replace. And this have lead. Right, check the short there is gone, but the burning of this leads to one track broken. Look there. And let's also check, we want also to check these diodes nearby. Otherwise, let's check this diode and see. Right, this one is good. We are going to switch our multimeter a bit for it to gain power. Right, we are going on the second diode. This one, the second diode is good. Right, let's go on to the third diode. This one is shorted also as well. This diode is shorted. That's why we have a broken track there. Right, let's go on the fourth. Yeah, this is good. Right, we check again. Right, what we are going to do now is to remove. But before that, we also check these diodes again. You see them? They are all good. Right, we change or swap our probes. to see maybe 1 out of 4 there of the diodes, maybe one is reversing, but all are good diodes. So this diode, let's remove it. This is how we remove it. You put a tweezer on one side of the diode, and we then unsolder one side of the diode like that. Exactly. So one terminal of it is from the ground or from the engine. Now let's take it off as shown in the video and test it now. Let's check what the multimeter, oh, it's shorted. So these two components are the ones that were damaged on this engine. Right. So this is small. It's a very small engine, but it's working on a big gadget. This side, which you see, is the DC side. The other side, which I'm showing you right now, is where you find AC side, which means high current, IX. Right, we have finished fixing the engine. Now it's back on its engine. Let's find out if this engine can start working. If this video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, viewers, for watching this video.